Hello students, in this video I am going to explain exercise 11.3. We have already seen the formulas of area and perimeter of rectangle and square. In this exercise is all about circle. We will see the formulas of circle. Suppose this is circle with radius r. Its radius is r. Then its formula is area of circle. Formula of area of circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of circle. This is the formula of area of circle. Pi r square and r is the radius of circle. What is pi? Pi is a constant value. जो आपको हर क्वेश्चन में सेम वैल्यू ही कांस्टेंट नंबर है एक जो कंसीडर करना है. यू कैन टेक इट एज 22/7 और 3.14. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई 22/7 और 3.14. देन सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल. जहाँ हम स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल की बात करते हैं वहाँ उसको पेरीमीटर बोलते हैं. जब सर्कल की बात हो रही है तो इसका जो ये बाउंड्री वाला एरिया है इट इज़ कॉल्ड इट्स सर्कमफेरेंस. एंड सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल इज इक्वल टू द फॉर्मूला इज 2 pi r. These are the formulas that you have to apply to find the area of circle and circumference of circle. These formulas we will apply in all the questions. First question, find the circumference and area of the circle whose radius is 14 centimeter. Radius is given, हमें radius given है, radius is 14 centimeter and we have to find the circumference. Just apply the formula and find the value. Circumference of circle is formula is 2 pi r. So put the value of r. 2 pi is 22/7 multiply r is 14. Radius is 14. We'll calculate the value and we'll get the answer. (88 centimeter is the circumference. Now we have to find the area also. We will apply the formula of area. Area is equal to pi r square. (22/7 multiply 14 multiply 14. After multiplying we get the answer. So answer will be, when you will multiply you will get 616, and because it is area so unit will be centimeter square. So area is 616 centimeter square and circumference is 88 centimeter. Now next question. Next question is, Simon wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. एक circular table है. There is one table in the form of circle and its diameter is given. In this question diameter is given. This is diameter. Diameter is 1.5 meter given. This is diameter. Question is, find the length of the lace required and also find its cost. Length of the lace required. अब उसको जो टेबल का कवर है इस पर लेस लगानी है. लेस हमेशा बाउंड्री पे ही लगेगी. फुल एरिया में तो लेस नहीं लगेगी, सिर्फ बाउंड्री पे ही लगेगी. So we have to find out the circumference. So first we will calculate the circumference. Formula of circumference is 2 pi r, or you can say pi d. Pi d is also the formula. You can write pi d also. We have to take pi 3.14. It is given in the question that you have to consider 3.14. So pi is 3.14 multiply d. D is 1.5. This is the diameter. Then you will calculate. You will get 4.71 meter. If you multiply these two, you will get 4.71 meter. So this is circumference and it is the same. Length of race required, it is same. इतना ही हमें लेस चाहिए. जो लेस हमें लगाना है उसकी लेंथ भी यही होनी चाहिए. So this is the length of lace required. Now we have to find the cost also. If 1 meter cost rupees 15, 1 meter का cost 15 है, तो 4.7 meter का cost कितना होगा? We have to multiply it by 15. So find the cost by multiplying it by 15. So what will be the cost? 4.71 multiplied by 15, and it will be 70.65 rupees. This will be the cost. इतना उसको cost आएगा लेस लगवाने के लिए. So that's how you have to calculate. Next question is, find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is a semicircle including its diameter. This figure is given and we have to find its perimeter. हमें ये figure का perimeter find out करना है because it is half of the circle. ये full circle का half है. It is semicircle. We will find its circumference. फुल सर्कल के सर्कमफेरेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? इट इज़ 2 पाई आर. 2 पाई आर जो फॉर्मूला होता है वो फुल सर्कल का होता है. बिकॉज इट इज़ हाफ सर्कल तो हम इसके फॉर्मूला को भी हाफ कर देंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो फॉर्मूला विल बी पाई आर. Apply the formula and you will get the answer. Radius will be because diameter is 10, so radius will be 5. 5 centimeter is radius and you have to take the value of pi as 3.14. Pi is 3.14 and radius is 5. So what will be its circumference? फिफ्टीन पॉइंट सेवन जो है ये इसका सर्कमफेरेंस है. इट मीन्स ओनली दिस पोर्शन. हमने ये वाला पोर्शन ही कैलकुलेट किया है. सर्कमफेरेंस में ये डायमीटर कैलकुलेट नहीं होता, काउंट नहीं होता. ओनली दिस पोर्शन वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड. बट द क्वेश्चन इज यू हैव टू फाइंड इंक्लूडिंग इट्स डायमीटर. यू हैव टू इंक्लूड द डायमीटर ऑल्सो. सो फाइनल जो पेरीमीटर जो हमें चाहिए, रिक्वायर्ड पेरीमीटर, वी हैव टू ऐड द डायमीटर ऑल्सो. सो 15.7 में हम डायमीटर भी ऐड कर लेंगे 10. इट विल बिकम 25.7 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज द फाइनल पेरीमीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find its radius and area. Circumference is given now. Circumference is given 31.4 centimeter. Circumference 31.4 centimeter given है. We have to find its radius. What is the formula of circumference? It is 2 pi r. So it means 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. 2 pi r is given. We have to find the value of r. So it is 2 multiply 3.14 multiply r is equal to 31.4. So r becomes 31.4 divided by 2. So when you will calculate this value, you will get the value of r. It is 5. When you calculate this, you will get 5. 5 centimeter is the radius. Now we have to find the area also. Apply the formula. Formula of area is pi r square. So pi is 3.14 multiply r is 5, r is 5. When you will multiply, you will get 78.5 centimeters square. This will be the area. So in all the questions, you just have to apply these two formulas and you will get the answer. One more question based upon this. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. एक flower bed है which is in the form of circle and it is surrounded by a path of 4 meter wide. इसके चारों तरफ एक path है जिसकी width है 4 मीटर. It is 4 meter wide. हर तरफ से ये 4 meter wide ही है. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. Diameter is given 66 meter. What is the area of this path? We have to find the area of this path. So how we will do? First we will find the area of this circle. Area of smaller circle. Apply the formula. Formula is pi r square. We have to consider pi 3.14. What is radius? Its diameter is 66. So its radius will be 33. So 33 multiply 33. Calculate it and you will get the area of the smaller circle. It is 3419.46 meter square. This is the area of smaller circle. Now we will find the area of this larger circle. हम larger circle का area find out करेंगे. Smaller circle का already find कर चुके हैं and when we will subtract, we will get the area of this path. Area of larger circle is, again this formula is same, pi r square 3.14 multiply what will be its radius. This path is of 4 meter wide. So we can add 4 in the radius. 33 में 4 add करना है. It will be 37. Multiply again and will calculate the value. It will be 4298.66 meter square. So हमारे पास larger circle का area पता है, हमें smaller का पता है and we have to find the area of path. अगर हम दोनों को subtract कर देंगे then we will get the area of the path. 4298.66 minus 3419.46. We have to subtract these values and we will get the answer. And answer is 879.2 meter square. This is the area of the path. Next video I'm going to solve some questions from exercise 11.4. Goodbye.